Hi children, this is KTK. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to solve 20 objective questions from the concept playing with numbers for class 6. So this is going to be a very interesting video. You are going to solve a lot of unknown questions which are not available in your textbook. So this video will be helpful for both state board as well as for CBSE or IGCSE curriculum students. This will help you to improve more knowledge in the concept of playing with numbers. Let's start the class now. Now before start solving the objectives in playing with numbers, let us just recall the subtopics which are there in that concept. So here you have multiples and problems based on factors, common multiples, common factors, the most important divisibility rules, and then you have HCF, you have LCM, and based on that you have few word problems. So if you are thorough with all these concepts, easily you can attend and solve any questions from playing with numbers. Okay, so from next slide onwards questions are going to appear. So what I want to do is you just have a note and pen with you. When the question appears, you can pause the video, start doing it by yourself, write the answer, and then play the video. You can check your answers. Okay, so totally 20 questions we are going to solve in this video. I want you to check and comment how much mark you are getting out of 20. Okay, let's see. First question, which of the following is not a factor of 24? So you have options 2, 3, 4, 5. Before I am saying the answer, you can start writing the answer in your note. When I am saying the answers, you can check it. Okay. So here 24 will come in 2 table, it will come in 3 table, and it will also come in 4 table. We can't see 24 in 5 table because here the question is not a factor. Therefore, your first question answer is option D, 5. Second question, the greatest prime number between 1 and 10. So whenever you are learning about the concepts of prime numbers and composite numbers, being a 6th standard student, I want you to be thorough with minimum 1 to 100 prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay, so you can see 1 is neither prime nor composite, and we have 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100 and the remaining 74 composite numbers from 1 to 100. So whenever I am saying a particular number, definitely you need to classify the number whether it is prime or composite. For example, if I am saying 47, immediately you should say it is a prime number. If I am saying 63, immediately you should say a composite number. So from 1 to 100, what are the numbers are prime numbers, what are the numbers are composite number, that clarification definitely you should have. Okay, now second number and options, the greatest prime number. So we know the prime numbers, right? 2, 3, 5, 7, all the numbers are prime numbers in this option. The greatest number here is you have 7. So second one answer is option 7. Now question number 3, which of the following numbers is composite? So 19 is a prime number, 23 is a prime number, 6 is a composite number, 29 is a prime number. So you need to check all the 4 options before finalizing your answer. Okay, so question number 3 answer is option C, 6. Now question number 4, which of the following pairs of number are not co-prime? So we have 4 options there. So you need to know about what is co-prime first. Co-prime means the numbers which have HCF 1. Okay, when you are comparing two numbers, common factors, if you have only one is a common factor between those two numbers, means then the numbers are called as co-prime numbers. Highest common factor is going to be 1. Okay, so here they are asking not co-prime. Okay, now you can check 7 and 15 are co-prime, and 12 and 49 are co-prime, 18 and 23 also co-prime, 12 and 21 you can see both the numbers in 3 table, right? You can see both the numbers in 3 table. Therefore option D is not a co-prime. Okay, so you just compare this with the remaining 3 options. 7, 15 you cannot see them in a single table, that is at the same table you can't see. In the same way 12 and 49, 18 and 23 you cannot see these numbers in the same table. where 12 and 21 you can see in 3 table. So factors are nothing but what? The tables only. Okay, so try to understand it in a easier way. So option D is your correct answer for fourth question. I hope you are pausing the video and finding the answers by yourself. Don't wait for me to give the answers. You just pause the video when question appears. You start writing the answers. Then you can check your answers. At the end, I want you to post how many marks you are getting out of 20 in the comment box along with your name. Okay. Now question number 5. Which of the following statements is false? Okay. So it's a statement type of questions. 4 statements are appearing here. You just read and understand each and every statement and try to analyze and find whether which one is true, which one is false. All even numbers are composite numbers. All even numbers are composite numbers. Then second one, if an even number is divided by 2, the quotient may be odd or even. Then the third one is sum of two odd numbers and one even number is even. And the last one, sum of two prime number is not always even. So here almost all 4 statements I read now. So you need to think and analyze which one is going to be the false answer. Okay, I'll explain one by one. All even numbers are composite numbers. Not, because you can have a 2. 2 is a even number. At the same time it is a prime number. Okay, so first statement itself you are getting false. Okay, first statement itself you are getting false, but you need to keep the remaining points in your mind and try to prove them true for your understanding. I'm saying if an even number is divided by 2, the quotient may be odd or even. Yeah, it's true only. So when I'm dividing 8 divided by 2, you will get an even number. Or if I'm dividing 10 divided by 2, you will get an odd number. So this can be either even or it may be odd also. So option B is true. Then C is sum of two odd numbers and one even. For example, if I'm adding two odd number 5 and 7 and one even number, so in this case your answer is going to be even. Okay, so when you are adding two odd number, it is going to be an even number. So even plus even is going to be again even number. So your option C also true. I am just giving you this explanation only for your understanding, because already we got the answer. Option A is correct answer for question number 5. Then option D, sum of two prime is not always even. Not always even they are mentioning. For example, you can just consider 2 plus 3. Sometimes you may get 5 also. 2 is a prime number and 3 is also prime number. When you are adding these prime numbers, you are getting odd. So we can accept the fourth statement also. So this is the reason why we are choosing option A is false. Okay, now let us move to the sixth question. The greatest common factor of 4, 8 and 12. So you can see all these numbers comes in what are the tables. So 4, 8, 12 they will come in 2 table, 4, 8, 12 they will come in 1 table, 4, 8, 12 they will come in 4 table, 4, 8, 12 they will not come in 8 table. Now among these options 2, 1, 4, they are asking only greatest common factor. So your option C is the right answer for 6. Another method you can do it with the prime factorization, but for choose the correct answer you just try to think logically and try to find the answer quickly. Okay, sixth one answer is option C 4. Now question number 7, the greatest common factor of 75, 60 to 10. So this is exactly same as the sixth question, but instead of small numbers you have little bit bigger number there. So you just check the options 1, 3, 5, 15. So you can easily find all the numbers. All these numbers will come in 1 table. All these numbers will come in 3 table also. All these numbers will come in 5 table also. And you need to check whether this number comes in 15 table or not. We know that 75 comes in 15 table, 60 also comes in 15 table, and 210 also comes in 15 table, because you can see 15 into 14 is equal to 210. Okay, so all the numbers, all these numbers comes in all 4 tables, but here again they are mentioning greatest number, hence you are choosing the answer option D. Hence you are choosing the answer option D. So option D is the greatest common factor. In this question also, again if you want you can try it with factorization method, that is prime factorization method. You are going to get the same answer, but from options point of view I am teaching you to find the answer. I hope you understand. Now it's time to move to next question. Question number 8. The LCM of 6 and 18 is. So 6 and 18. So here we have an important note on LCM. When they are giving LCM for two numbers, If one number is multiple of another number, then the greater number is going to be LCM. Okay, we know that 18 is a multiple of 6. Listen it, 18 is a multiple of 6. Therefore, the greater number is going to be your LCM and the smaller number is going to be what? Your HCF. Okay, so whenever one number is a multiple of another number, the greater number is its LCM, the smaller number is its HCF. So keep that in mind. Without solving any sum, you can directly find the answer by using the application of these notes. Then question number 9, prime number that is placed at fifth after prime number 7. So that is, we know the list of prime numbers, right? From that is after 7, what number you are going to write? You will be writing 11 and then you will be writing 13. I am writing only prime numbers, not odd numbers. Don't confuse here. They are asking only prime number. So 7, 11, 13. 13 after you are going to write 17. 17 after you are going to write 19. 19 after which is the prime number? 23 is the prime number. So 7 after first number, second number, third number, fourth number. Your fifth number is 23. Okay, it's a logical based question. For this, to solve this, you must know the prime numbers list. As I told you, you must know minimum 1 to 100 prime numbers. Okay, so in this case, some people will confuse with the prime numbers and odd numbers. For example, if you are writing 19 after 21 means it's going to be wrong because 21 is a composite number. So you should know how to classify exactly the prime numbers and composite numbers. So 19 after 23 is the prime number, which is the fifth after 7. So for question number 9, your option C is the correct answer. Question number 10. There are 207 white balls and 115 blue balls. These balls are to be arranged in buckets containing the same number of balls. Then the greatest number of balls possible in each bucket is. So they are going to keep the greatest number of balls. That is, in each bucket, how many balls they can keep, which is the greatest number there. Okay, so it's a very simple concept. You are going to find HCF. You are going to find HCF. So you can ask me how we are classifying it as HCF. Very simple one. HCF, the word itself, what? The word itself, it shows that it is highest. It is highest. Now you check your word problem. Definitely they will give one word which is related to highest. What is that? Greatest. Okay, so this is the clue hidden in the question. Can you understand? If something is related there as a smallest or least or minimum, means you can go with the LCM. So whether you are going to find HCF or whether you are going to find LCM, that clue will be indirectly given in the question. Okay, so 207 and 115. Here 207, I can start with the 3 table. 6 threes are 18, remaining 2. 9 threes are 27. So again I can start with the 3 table. 23. So 23 is a prime number, so directly you can write it as 1. In the same way, 115 I can start with the 5 table, because whenever your number is ending with 5 or 0, always you can go with 5 table. So here 2 5s are 10, again 1 3. So 23 1. So you can just classify the numbers as a prime factorization. 207 can be written as 3 3 and 23, and 115 can be written as 5 into 23. Here your common number is what? 23. So 23 is the answer for question number 10. Okay, I don't think so how many of you paused and tried that video. If you have done this question correctly, means hats off to you. So with this 10 questions over, now let us move to the 11th question. 1265 is divisible by. So interesting question. The number is ending with a 5, but 5 is not there in the option. So it is not going to be divisible by 10. It is not going to be divisible by 2, because your n number, that is the last number, is odd number. So you cannot take it as a 2 divisor. And then 11 we will check now. So 1, 2, 6, 5. So divisible by 11 is, you just alternate the sum, that is 1 and 6 is 7, 2 and 5 is 7. The difference is going to be 0. Therefore the number is divisible by 11. Therefore the number is divisible by 11. Okay, so 13 is not applicable because you have 1 2 6 5. This number is not divisible by 13 also. Therefore your question number 11 answer is 11. Now question number 12, the number is divisible by. So in this case they gave some bigger number, and again we are going to check the options here. So we know how to check for divisibility by 11. How to check for divisibility by 6? We are going to add all the numbers and check for divisibility by 3, and then you can check whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. Okay, if a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then you can say that the number is divisible by 6 also. So you just add all the digits, sum the digits, 10, 18, 27. So we know that 27 comes in 3 table, and then the last number is 0. Therefore this number is divisible by 2 also. So it will come in 6 table, 3 table, 2 table. Therefore your answer is option D, all A, B, C. You cannot choose any one because the number is divisible by all the 3 numbers. Therefore you can conclude that this number is divisible by all A, B, C. Okay. Now question number 13. Number of prime numbers from 20 to 30. Number of prime numbers. So we are going to write all the prime numbers between 20 to 70. That is 23 and then 21, then 31, after 37. Then what other numbers are there? 41 and 43, then 47, and then you can see 53, then 59, and then 61, 63, 65, 67. That's all. So these many numbers are there between 20 and 70. All these numbers are what number? Prime number. So you just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers. So 11 numbers are there between 20 and 70. So the limit they gave already. So between these two numbers you list out all the prime numbers. Don't miss any number or don't write any extra numbers. Exactly we are getting only 11 numbers between 20 and 70. Question number 14. What is the LCM of 17 and 5? Very simple question. Without working out you can find the answer because 17 and 15 are co-prime numbers. 17 and 15 are co-prime numbers. Why I am saying they are co-prime numbers? Because their common factor is 1. Okay. So when co-prime numbers are given to you and they are asking LCM, means very simple. LCM of co-prime number is exactly equal to their product. So directly you can multiply the number 17 into 5, your answer is 105. Can you understand? The LCM of co-prime number is equal to their product. So directly you can multiply the number. 17 5s are 105 is your answer. Question number 15 now. Which of the following is prime factorization of 140? So they gave all 4 options. So it's a very simple one. Prime factorization can be done by 2 methods, right? So you can go with the tree method also. So this can be written as 10 into 14, and then this 10 can be written as 5 2s are, and this 14 can be written as 2 7s are. So I have arrived with all the prime numbers. So 2 2 5 7. So where you have 2 2 5 7? Yes, it is there in the option C. So either if you want to do the same question with 140 with the help of this long division also, you are going to get the same answer. It is up to you. Whatever the method is comfortable to you, whatever the method is easy to you, you can apply that one. Either factor tree method or long division method. It is your choice. So question number 15, our answer is option C. Question number 16, which of the following statement is true? 1 is a factor of every number. 2 is the smallest prime number. So this is true. 2 is the smallest prime number. Yeah, that's also true. Now when you are checking the options, your option C is the right answer. Both A and B are true. You just observe the question. They are asking which of the following statement is true. So both the statements are true. We know that 1 is factor of all the numbers. Okay. So whenever you are writing factors list, you are going to write 1 at the first. In the same way, we know that in the prime numbers list, 2 is the smallest prime number. So question number 16, your answer is option C. Both A and B are true. Now question number 17. Which of the following is divisible by 11? So divisible by 11 is again is going to be an interesting task for us. You are going to sum the alternate and find the difference. So 3, 1, 1, 6, 3, 6, 5. I'm going to check with each and every option. So 3, 1, 3, 5. Okay. And then 1, 6, 6. Now you just add all the numbers 3, 1, 4, 7, 12. 6, 7, 7, 6, 13. So your difference is not 0. The difference you are going to get either 0 or 11 or multiples of 11. That's the rule. So option A, it's not divisible by 11. And then we'll go for option B 901351. So we know that divisible by 11 we can't say just like that. You need to give some workout there. Okay, so 9, 10, 15, and then 0314. Yeah, 15 minus 4 is 11, no? Yeah, so second number is divisible by 11. I think you can stop because these two are anyhow it is not going to be divisible by 11, but actually that's not a good habit. You need to check for option C and option D also, which I won't suggest all the time. You need to check, you must check all the four options, but here I'm just stopping with this one. You can check the remaining C and D by yourself. That's also not going to be divisible by 11. So question number 17 answer is option B, 901351 is divisible by 11. So divisible by 11, this is the method you are going to follow. Next, only three more questions are there. 18. The answer for four students A, B, C, D for prime factorization of 18 are given. Whose answer is wrong? So we know what is meant by prime factorization. The factors must be written only the prime numbers, right? So 2 3s are 6 3 are, that is when you are multiplying all the answers you are going to get 18 only. But only thing you need to check is whether the factorization containing only the prime numbers. So here 2 3 3 is only prime number, 3 2 3 3 2s are 6 6 3s are 18 only prime number. Here also you have only prime number, but here 9 2s are 18, answer is correct, but 9 is a composite number, we cannot accept this. So the person C's factorization is wrong. Okay, so question number 18 answer is option C. The person who gave correct, that is the wrong answer, is option C. Now question number 19. Now question number 19, find the smallest number which is multiple of all the numbers from 1 to 10. So here they are asking the LCM of numbers from 1 to 10. So you can just list out all the numbers. We are going to do some lengthy division here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so write down all the numbers without missing any numbers. Now you are going to do some long division. You can take two common first step. Okay, so because many even numbers are there, so 1 1 3 it's going to be 2, 5 will come same, 3 7 will same, 4 9 and 5. Okay, now this time again I can see 2, that is even number, so you can take one more 2. So 1 1 3 1 5 3 7, here you have 2 and 9 and you have 5. So you can see there 2 3s and 1 9, right? So 2 3s and 1 9, so I can take 3 now. So 1, the order is your choice, either you can start with 1, whatever the order I'm writing, no, that order is your choice, you can do it in the any order. Okay, so 1 1 5 is going to be again 1 7 2, this is going to be 3 and 5. Now you can see two fives there. Okay, so two fives are there, I can take 1 5, so it's going to be 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 7 2 3 1. Okay, so with this we can stop because all these three are distinct prime numbers, three different prime numbers we got. So if you multiply all these means you will get the answer 2 2 3 5, and then here you have 7 2 3. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are up to this one 60. Yes, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, and then 7 2s are 14, 14 3s are what, 42. Okay, now multiply this, 6 2s are 12, remaining 1 2 5, so 2510 is there. So our answer is option C, 2520. Okay, so 2520 is the least number which is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 10. So they are asking multiple and they are asking the word smallest. That's the reason I'm finding LCM. Okay, now this is the last question of this video, 20. How many factors does 48 have? Okay, how many factors, the number of factors they are asking how many. So you can write 48 as what, 1 into 48 is one way, and you can write 2 into 24, and you can write 3 into 16, or you can write 4 into 12. So as much as what are the possibilities are there to express 48 in terms of factors. And then 5 we cannot write, 6 I can write, 6 8s are 48. Don't repeat again 8 into 6 or 12 into 4. Okay, just to write it as a single distinct factorization. Okay, 6 8s. And then what are the other ways you have? Yes, what are the other ways you have? 1 2 3 So here you can see 10 different numbers are there, right? So maximum number itself in your option is 10 only. So 48 has 10 factors. 48 has 10 factors. Okay. So I hope you have done all 20 questions by yourself. As I told you, you can pause, you can find the answer, you can resume and check the answer. Just comment below. Okay, you just see comment box, you write down your name, which class you belongs to. I hope you are definitely belongs to 6th standard, and you just mention your name, school or place, which city you belongs to, and then mention your marks. Suppose if you are getting 15 out of 20, just write it on 15 out of 20, or if you are getting 20 out of 20, means hats off to you. Okay, those who are commenting as 20 out of 20, I'm going to say your names in my part 2 video. Okay, so don't think that the topic is over. Okay, we will see the same topic, that is playing with numbers. In that, we are going to solve lot of word problems in the next video. Lot of word problems we are going to solve in our next video. Okay, so these kind of videos will be very much helpful. These kind of sums will be very much helpful, because I'm preparing lot of questions by referring lot of websites, and I want you to train well for the Olympiad exams and whatever the competitive exams you are attending. Okay, so chapter wise I'm giving you the videos for the classes 6, 7, 8. Already I have posted many videos for the classes 6, 7, 8. You can check the videos in the playlist. Thank you so much for spending the time with me. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by supporting it. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notifications whenever I'm coming with the new videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Be safe.